Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Taj Mahotsav. Taj Mahotsav is being celebrated successfully since 1992 in Agra the month of February for 10 days from 18th February to 27th February. Organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of India. Taj Mahotsav is mainly dedicated to the promotion of country's rich art and craft and also culture, cuisine, dance, and music. In fact, it serves as an acknowledgement to the craftsmen as well as the exponents of art, music, and cuisine from all over the country. A large number of Indian and foreign tourists coming to Agra join the festivity of multi-facets. The venue of the festival of Taj Mahotsav is Shilpgram, which is a stone's throw away distance from Taj Mahal. The festival starts with a procession including bejeweled elephants and camels, drum beaters, folk artists, and master craftsmen. A major highlight of this festival is the availability of fabulous works of art and craft at the most authenticated prices that are not skyrocketed by high maintenance costs. One of the major attractions of the Taj Mahotsav of Agra is the food festival, where you can get some of the oldest and the most typical delicacies from the interiors of Uttar Pradesh and rest of India, like chole bhature, Indian samosa, puri sabji, gulab jamun, Lucknowi kebab, South Indian dosa, Amritsari naan, Hyderabadi biryani, etc. Throughout the Mahotsav, the visitors can experience the richness of folk, classical music, and dances from various regions of the country in the way they were performed centuries ago. Moreover, it's got something for everyone in the family, as when the adults are busy with the arts, crafts, and cultural shows, the children too can indulge themselves in delightful food and fun fare that forwards various rides, including the splendid roller coaster or the smaller ones like merry-go-round or train rides. This procession is an effort to reconstruct the ones that were taken out during the time of the Mughals. The crafts that are displayed in the festival have immense variety, as over 400 legendary artisans from different parts of the country get an opportunity to showcase their talent. The crafts include wood carving of Sharanpur brass and other metalware of Moradabad, handmade carpets of Badohi, blue pottery of Khurja, chicken work of Lucknow, silk of Varanasi, pottery from Khurja, shawls and carpets from Kashmir, Gujarat, hand printing from Farrukhabad, wood and stone carving from Tamil Nadu, etc. Additionally, visitors also get to witness some spectacular performances by artists from every nook and corner of the country. The folk dances are sure to engulf you in their charisma and keep you enthralled for a long time. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.